What's up, everybody? We back again with another video here. Early. It's like 8 o'clock. It's cold. See my breath? Yeah, we back again though. And we are going to be shooting another reaction video today. Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today I'm gonna take my dad on a ride along and get his reaction. He was in the old vet. He likes to act all hard. Oh no, I used to do this, I used to do that, and nothing's that fast for me, blah blah blah. But he looked like he was about to die in the old vet. And if you guys don't know, if you're new to the channel, I used to have a 1978 C3 Corvette that was cammed, and I thought it was fast until I bought this. So this and that have no comparison whatsoever. I think we're gonna get a reaction out of him. He's already a little scared because he's telling me, oh, you better warm them tires up because I don't want to be on the news dead. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't think I'll get him to scream, but he gonna visibly be scared. So I'm excited for this one. We gotta let her warm up. This is so cold. Let's get you guys that little cold start. Yo, you ready to end up on the news?
Not the one where they say, oh, what a tragedy. 2 days before Christmas.
We're not dying. What's up, guys? We made it back safe. We're not gonna be on the news. I dipped out. Had to get that fresh cut, you know what I'm saying? But whatever, my dad seemed unimpressed. I'm kind of mad. Well, that's just more motivation to make it faster, I guess. So anyways, guys, we're out of here. Peace.